And that is perfect tahini paste. How y'all doing? Welcome to Backyard Chef. I'm Rick. Today we are going to make tahini. Yep, I know tahini everywhere, but tahini is quite expensive in the shops. Simple to make, 2 ingredients, or you can make it with 3 ingredients. Okay, the 2 ingredients, quite simple: white sesame seeds, olive oil, 3 ingredients, a pinch of salt. Easy as that. So let's show you how to do it. Come on. Right, this starts off with actually toasting some sesame seeds. Now, you don't have to toast the sesame seeds. That is entirely up to you. Now, if you toast it, it does give that little bit of a nutty flavour in there. So we want to put a flame on. Now, this doesn't have to be too hot. We don't want to burn these seeds. And then all we're doing is going in there with our sesame seeds. And then all we're going to do is we're going to lightly toast these seeds. Now, some might be browner than others, but we're going to lightly toast them. So just move them around nice and gently till we get that toastiness on there. The thing is with sesame seeds, you know, you do have to be a little bit careful sometimes, because if you have the flame up too high, when they start to heat up and the oils on the sesame seed start to catch, they can burn very quickly. So you've got to be a bit careful. Just keep it moving around nice and gently. I can smell that nuttiness coming out of the pan now. And you can see it's just starting to change colour. So that will do. All I'm going to do is turn off the flame and just keep turning this over nice and gently, because we've got that residual heat still in this pan. So all we need to do now is let this cool down a bit, you know, because when we start blending it, it's going to get hot in the blender. Now, if we put this in hot in a blender, it's going to get really hot. So cool it down just a little bit. Okay, that should be cooled down enough. Right, I've got a little blender here, and it's only tiny, so I might have to do this in 2 lots. Okay, like I say, we've got a really small blender here. So what we're going to do, we're going to start it off, whiz it up, and then we'll add some olive oil. Now, you can add any neutral oil you want. So we got this paste forming already in there, look, but it's quite firm, very nutty smelling. It smells fantastic. So I'm going to add about 1.5 tablespoons of oil, and then we're just going to whiz it up until we get a smooth runny paste. Done. Easy as that. Now, You know, like I say, you can add a little bit of salt because this is just a very woody type paste. So that's it. It doesn't get much easier than that, really. The blender does all the work, you do nothing. And that is perfect tahini paste. So there we are, perfect tahini paste made. Now that is so easy to make. 5 minutes work, or just over, and you have tahini paste. Store in the fridge for up to a month, but I'm sure you're going to use it. There we go. Now, if you like what we're doing, don't forget, smash that like and subscribe, share with your friends, all that kind of stuff. And we'll catch you in the next video.